I hope you enjoy this free hypnosis session. If you would like this track on your mobile device, simply go to freehypnosis.app, download the free hypnosis app with myself, Joseph Clough, and that means you can have it and you can use it as you go to sleep. You can download it, you can stream it, so much easier. So go to freehypnosis.app and download it right now. Now, before we go into a deep trance, I want you to realize this, that whatever you're going through, whatever you're experiencing, you have the immense power to transform and transcend it all to a deep level of certainty, esteem, empowerment, and even love within you, the confidence in all that you desire, from the inside to the outside. So with that, go ahead and just relax and get yourself into a nice, comfortable position where you can just be present, where you can learn to change. That's it. Close your eyes and just breathe in through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Breathe in through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Now, since we're going into trance, just consciously decide, what would you like to change? What would you like to experience now? And make that conscious decision that this would be a good thing to have and experience. That's it. So as you just relax, give yourself this opportunity to allow yourself to be present and become the person you desire. That's it. For this track is going to allow you to deeply relax so quickly, even within a few minutes, maybe 10 minutes, or maybe somewhere in between. Because you can imagine your muscles relaxing, just softening with each breath out. You can relax the jaw. Just relax the jaw. Relax those hands and let go of the tension. Release the tension in the jaw, the hands, even the arms, from the wrists to the fingertips. Each muscle just softens as you begin to drift in thoughts, in feelings. And as you just be here, notice what you notice. There is no right way or wrong way, just your own subjective experience as you go into trance. You may hear other sounds, or the sound of my voice as it goes with you into trance. And you can allow my voice, the things I say, to be absorbed if you feel like it would be a good thing. because this is your experience. Because we don't have to go too quickly. Just allow your unconscious mind to resolve and dissolve all worries, stresses, ever so gently, like a wave of relaxation going through each nerve, each cell, just relaxing. Because you can drift and dream. You can be aware of many, many things. Even as I count down from 10 to 0, you can do so with peace and even enjoyment as every muscle relaxes deeper with each number. So go down from 10 to 9. You may see it, or you may just listen, because your unconscious mind, while your conscious mind drifts here and there, your unconscious mind can do what's needed to be done to allow more peace and happiness. Down from 9, down to 8. Your unconscious mind can effortlessly be aware, listening while you remain relaxed and at peace. Because your unconscious mind can take charge for a while. It does many, many things for you, even falling asleep, learning and changing. Your unconscious mind knows, because it always does. And as you allow your potentiality with your unconscious mind, you can remember everything that needs to be remembered. But you can also allow your unconscious mind to assume that responsibility, drifting and dreaming, learning as you relax, and relaxing as you learn. That's right. Because your unconscious can be your greatest ally to live the freedom you desire and you deserve, with each muscle relaxing more deeply than before, but not as much as in a few moments and minutes, all the way down from 7, down to 6, into trance, as your unconscious mind drifts and dreams too. You can listen to me unconsciously, while the conscious mind sleeps deeper and deeper and deeper. So relaxed. It's easier to just notice what needs to be noticed. There is nothing important for your conscious mind to do. There's nothing really important except the activities of your unconscious mind. And that can be as automatic, like dreaming, like learning. And as you relax the mind and body down to 5, you breathe more easily and freely. You can consciously continue to be at peace. to relax deeper, drifting more and more with the feelings and sensations of ease in thought and also body. Your own mind is solving at your own pace and as easily and quickly as you are ready. You continue becoming more relaxed, more comfortable as you experience a deepening comfort down from 5, down to 4. Your own inner mind can respond automatically to realize how powerful you are, and being in this peaceful state, it enables you to experience the comfort so enjoyable, so pleasant, calm and peaceful, everything relaxing so naturally. And every time you listen to this, you can go deeper than before as you're developing your own process of learning to relax in a deep, powerful way. Relaxing more now, down from 4, down to 3, all the way down, feeling gently floating, drifting and dreaming into peacefulness, to enjoy the sensations of ease into your mind now. That's it. Your unconscious mind can know that you have the power to transform and transcend your experience into more peace. That's it. You, the unconscious mind, can begin to make changes to allow you to relax more deeply than before, more easily, because your unconscious mind can understand that there are things that you can change. The beliefs, behaviors, even feelings, they do not have to exist if they're negative. You can start a journey of change, allowing yourself to go deeper and deeper, down to 3 and 2. That's it. Relax all the way down, down to 1, all the way down through to 0, because you're becoming more confident and self-reliant, to have determination, the desire to change and achieve your goals, willing to do what it takes to find the solution you've been craving. You are fine in your dedication, your commitment, and your decision for self-certainty, internally and externally. Inner confidence can grow because now the results you crave, the solutions are all around you, even within you. And as you do so, you can experience each day with more peace, more happiness in achieving your desires, more enthusiastic to make the change, breathing new life, optimism, enthusiasm, as problems are challenges that you can overcome, and old inappropriate emotions and thoughts you can start to release and work upon, allowing you to experience more positive results each and every day. Your mind is calm. Your mind is relaxed, becoming more centered as you physically relax now, going deeper and deeper. From now on, you will be free of all shyness. All your need to be shy will disappear and go so far away it ceases to be an issue or problem. All shyness will now disappear, and instead you will feel comfortable being you. You feel comfortable letting go. You find deep confidence and inner security in all situations. You speak confidently. You feel confident, secure. You always act in a confident, secure way, letting go and being the real you. You are free of self-doubt, nerves and anxiety, and instead you will now be confident, competent, and secure to be the real you. All nerves disappear. You embrace the moment and you let go, connecting with people as if it was so natural, so easy. You project your energy out with deep confidence. You are free of all shyness. You create powerful new self-belief systems. You find those inner resources to feel so at ease, so comfortable. You are free of all shyness. You, the unconscious mind, will let go of all those old triggers, to disconnect from the old shyness. You, the unconscious mind, will remember how you would like to feel. Maybe experiences where you have felt confident and let go. In any situation in the past where you felt that ease and confidence, you, the unconscious mind, will recall it beneath the surface and now act and react that way in any situation. You are a confident person. You can speak to anyone with ease. You have absolute self-belief, and you feel so comfortable in your environment. You feel so comfortable and so confident. You are free. You, the unconscious mind, will resolve this conflict of shyness and create the new self-confident you. You let go. You act and react confidently with self-assurance, for you are worthy and good enough. You embrace and expand your comfort zones, for you are worthy and good enough. You have all that you desire, and you project it into your environment, wherever you are. You are so confident, shyness will cease to exist. Instead, you are now confident, and you let go, feeling so secure in every way. That's it. Just relax, knowing your unconscious mind is making this change. Because in a moment, I am gonna count from 1 to 5, and on 5, you'll be wide awake, ready to take on the rest of the day, so you can enjoy it and feel so good in every way. So 1, every muscle becomes less and less relaxed. At 2, every fiber and every nerve becomes more and more alert as you breathe in through your nose, oxygenating your whole mind, body and soul. And then at 3, you imagine a nice cool cold shower freshening your hair, your head, your eyes, the back of the eyes. And at 4, just breathe in again, feeling so good, knowing that you are now making some great changes. And at 5, come all the way back into the room, all the way out of the trance, wide awake, knowing that you have so much power to make this change right now. So let me ask you the real question. How fast can you change your life? And I hope you realize that that answer is much faster than you think. But you gotta make a commitment. You gotta plug into a community that can help you. And you gotta follow a proven system. And if you want to do all 3 things in one fell swoop, the commitment, the community, and the proven system, then I want you to go to www.josephclough.info/go and book an appointment to speak to us. That way you can get on a call with us for 45 minutes or so, and you can tell us everything that is working and everything that's not working, exactly where you've been, exactly where you want to go. And we'll put our heads together and help you figure out the exact steps that should happen in order for you to get the quickest, fastest possible result and transformation. The call itself is going to give you more clarity on what's really going on in your life beneath the surface, and what you can stop doing and what you need to start doing, what you've been wasting your time doing, and what kind of myths you've been told that just aren't serving you. This issue and all its symptoms has held you back for way too long, and it's caused you to slow down any form of progression in your business or career, which means less abundance and less success. So go to www.josephclough.info/go and book an appointment to talk to us. And if we're a great fit together, we can talk about that. And if not, we'll talk about that too. But either way, our objective from the call is to give you tremendous clarity about exactly what you need to do to get to where you want to go. So go ahead and book an appointment and speak to us. You could easily be our next success that breaks you free from all limitations. A lot of people listening out there right now are kind of going, well, I don't know my root cause. I don't know how to make that change. I've battled and battled for so long with myself that it's exhausting. Everyone we've transformed felt the same way. They don't know how until they decided to reach out and make that change. I can guarantee you're going to be a lot closer to your dreams than you can imagine, which leads us to the next question, which is how soon do you want your freedom, your success? How soon do you want to make an impact? What if now is a time when you're going to get things done that have held you back for so long, that life has beaten you down, but it's now time to make that change. And if you're ready to start living your dream and get the success because you know you deserve it deep down, then in the next 45 minutes of that call is going to transform your life. And then the next 4 or 5 months, or even by the end of a year, you're going to be hitting your goals, your business goals, income goals even, and just live a life of deep, profound happiness and confidence. Because right now, maybe you're not hitting your goals, you're not living your purpose. You've got to do something different. And if you do something different and reach out, because we know what it takes. We see it week in and week out, transformations happening for our personalized system. If we can help you, let's just have an honest conversation and see where you're at and what you're missing. And our team and our experts will help you have the most powerful 45 minutes you can spend on your life, on your purpose, your future. This is your life. So let's go ahead and go to www.josephclough.info/go, book an appointment to speak to us. And in the meantime, I will speak to you soon. Have the most wonderful day. Many thanks and goodbye.